Yeah, hello, Martin from Baker's Timber Buildings. I'm over in Storrington, West Sussex, in February 2019. Wanted to show you this building we completed in the middle of 2018. It's an endless pool room. All of this was done in conjunction with our good friends at Home County Swimming Pools that are out of the Hilliers Garden Centre. Let me take you around the building, and then before I show you inside, this has a tri-sliding aluminium door. That 4.2 metre opening you see there, the aperture there of 4.2 meters, we quite typically put in bifold doors. They do give you the greatest opening, but these don't have any gather of the door. The gather here would have been a bit awkward, so these slide over really nicely, still give you a large opening, and a really nice alternative to bifold doors, particularly when they're closed. That big panoramic view there of that gap being broken into 3 instead of 5, which you normally do with a bifold. It's in a colour called RAL 7039, colour matched the MTX V200 cladding along with the aluminium doors and windows. You can see if I take you up here that you've actually got a little fan light window there with the V200 here, the V200 cladding. We've got an expel air you see there because of the swimming pool inside. The plant room in this side, a little pump house that we have the hydraulic motor in, it's actually sitting away. That's against the house. We brought the power out and then underground taken all the bits along there. And then the back and this other side of this building actually has the cement board all colour matched. So let me take you inside. This has got a ramp for our wheelchair access. I'm just going to walk over that ramp and just slide the doors open. I'll take you back out later outside to see. So it's our standard endless pool, 14 by 7 feet. That's the inside pool swim. You add on around about another 18 inches, which is around 500 millimeters to that for the actual overall use. Tucked into a corner really nicely. All of this is the cement wall to the wet wall all around here, as opposed to MDF, so it can set to getting splashed without any issue at all. You've got that nice wall wash light that we've run all the way along there. That's a really nice touch to give to give this nice feeling of kind of borrowed light when you're swimming. Is a nice experience. LED downlights in the ceiling, and I'm just going to come around here and pan around. Wet room floor we've got there. This building is 6 meters by 3.9, so there's not loads of space left after your swimming pool, but this room just needed to be a swimming pool room, nothing else. And with the kind of a meter gap there, you can see there's a trap which is access for all of the servicing, and the little gap at the front here, it is more than enough to actually get around and get changed and things like that in it. If I now just come and pan back and come and pop back out again with those, let's open those tri-sliding doors fully up. It gives you a good feel of the option there. Right, okay, if I pan back, yes, so there we go. The tri-slider open, you see there's no gather of door, they've all slidden over. Now these are only open in this single way, but we can actually get them to slide both ways. But in this instance, we knew we was always approaching it from the right hand side, so we've only made the sliding doors open to the left, and then with that full drop window next to it, it's just a really nice option. You've got the fan light window in the back there as well, so we've got 2 windows, the lighting, and also these expel airs that come on under humidity sensor, so as soon as it's too humid in the room, they automatically switch themselves on. So there you go, that's an endless pool room over in Storrington. And if this kind of pool room or any kind of garden room is of interest to you, feel free to give me a call on 01444 247 192. Thank you.